All right, guys. Figured we'd do a little vlog of tonight. Just got done wrapping a Turbo S2000, and it turned out pretty cool. Owner of this Turbo S2000 and his wife, as seen in the video below.
Okay, Maddie's mom, how many beers are you in?
It's tequila.
Ooh, enough to break the ice. Tequila!
Do I need a helmet?
Huh? No, you just need a safety harness. Dude, this tequila is about to hit way harder.
For a drift ride last Saturday night, and they loved it, and I felt like I had made a connection with this guy, you know. And I'm like, hey, can I got your car done, I know you're gone for the weekend, but can I take it out for just some cruisings, you know. Just driving a Turbo S2K is just something I've never done before, and you know, it's a cool car. So I asked him, he said, yeah, just have it back by Monday. So we're all good. So we are charging up batteries so we can do a photo shoot of said car. I'm gonna leave here in about 5 minutes with as much battery as I've got. Charging everything I've got though. We've got some GoPros, we've got some cameras. Gonna do some, stop by some hot spots. I've done photography before, and we're going to hopefully do some light painting. I haven't done light painting in 3 or 4 months, so we'll do some light painting. It's kind of hard to light paint dark cars, especially a matte black one, but we'll see what we can do as good as we can. So let's get into this this journey. I gotta go pick up the car at work. We'll go over the footage a little bit of the car, and we're gonna go for a cruise and do some shoots. So let's get into it. Let's go. Figured we show you the car real quick. Matte black looks pretty hot. So this is the whip for the night. Carbon fiber looks sweet. Carbon fiber trunk as well. So let's go gather up the game. All right, we're doing this. There you go, Barty. All righty, guy. Nice tight pattern. Love it. This thing sounds good. Gang gang. So that's a rare occasion, I'd say, but you know, it happens tonight we're in the car.
I think you see an old Campy land.
There's a lot of cities with nicknames. I think Naptown's probably one of the hardest ones. That's pretty sweet. I know. Do we risk just chilling in the throne? There's no traffic, but there's already no traffic.
Be a pretty sweet one, bro. And some of this For real. You can't beat it. All right. Now we're in business. Over to this spot. It's right over by the old hangout. Man, that's just sick. Just ate some steak and shake, hanging out at the BP, waiting on the homies to get here. Matte Black is still looking spicy. This car looks so good. We got Keaton and Mo coming out. Sounds like a tractor. Keaton and Mo are coming out, so just trying to kill a little bit of time while we wait on them. Oh, look who it is. Wow.
That is a good looking wheel setup. Full carbon. Oh my god. Hey, do a burn ski. I want to look at this thing.
Let's put nices back on. I'll get there. All right.
Had to switch the plate out, huh? That's how it works. This is a sweet looking whip. I like that purple. It's different than normal. I thought I was about to get freaking mugged, dude. Oh my. Yeah. I just don't see how they just don't get bored racing straight. You know, high speeds are cool, but
Yeah.
that shit just gotta get boring.
Most of these cars aren't even fast.
I bet that S2K right there, wham, 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 would take them.
Alright guys, well, I'm not sure if you can see me. Coming to some light here in a second. But I had a good night driving around in the old matte black S2K. This thing's a blast to drive. That turbo kit is exactly what this car needed. But had tons of people complimenting the car on the streets and even in the parking lots. Just people loving it. So I'd say it was a job well done. People love the car. I'm just happy that the customer trusted us enough to be able to take it out for a night. We got some killer pictures tonight. I'll throw all those in right here so you guys can see, but got some bomb light paintings and some nice sunset pictures. Overall, good night. Cruising in the old car in the streets. I love some street nights, so I'm glad we could get out here and do it. So just getting her back home nice and safe, put her in the garage, and we'll get it to the customer Monday. So thanks for tuning in, guys. I'd say this is probably the end of this episode. So adios, amigos. That's the Popo.